I left you guys on a cliffhanger yesterday. We're taking the Christmas decor up to the booth to get it all set up, but before we do that, I'm pretty sure that the round table that I sold in that last booth reset video probably moved out by now, and I need another table in there. I've already cleaned it up. Mike tightened the top for me last night, but it really needs some moisture. So I have wood polish and conditioner. What I'm gonna do is put some on a rag or just straight on the wood and really buff it in, and that'll make this piece really shine. I'm not a professional anything. We'll just throw that out there. And I'm definitely not a professional furniture finisher or antiquer. I'm learning every day. So that being said, because I'm not a professional furniture rehabber, this is what I've been. Sadie, is that yours? You just didn't want Fisher to have it. Because I'm not a professional furniture rehabber, I don't sell it at professional rehab prices. This piece I picked up from auction. It's still functional and it looks nice. I just need to do it. Tori just came by. Oh my god. Tori just came by to drop off this amazing brass and crystal chandelier that she found when she was out thrifting. It's gorgeous. I put it on my Insta stories. Y'all might have seen it. We both just realized we hadn't eaten yet today, and it's 2, so we're gonna go test out Chipotle in Stanton. When they opened, it was just a complete disaster. It's gotta be coming up on a year since they've opened, so hopefully they've improved. We're gonna go see if we can eat there. The backup plan is Chick-fil-A. I'm stuck behind the mail truck. Oh, she's letting me go around, okay. That was actually pretty good. I really enjoyed it. I'm a little biased, but that's adorable. That's the maximalist Christmas that I like, with vintage ornaments, metallics, stuff like that. I tried to recreate how it looked on my table in the garage. For whatever reason, I'm never able to recreate how good it looks in my garage. I don't know why. But here, I think I came pretty close. We've had some sales, but nothing too crazy, so I really don't need to move a bunch around. Just kind of put things back where they were from people picking it up over the weekend and placing it down somewhere else. What else is there to do? Oh, yeah, okay. I need to do this. Sorry guys, my camera died, but I'm home and I'm gonna call it a day. I have some editing that I need to do. Mike, pop in and say hey to the people. Look how cute. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.